Galaxies, cosmic islands of light. Look up on a clear night, and you see stars. But what if each tiny point of light were just one star in a vast, glittering city of billions? Welcome to the realm of galaxies, colossal islands of stars, gas dust and dark matter swirling in the cosmic ocean. Our home, the Milky Way, is a grand spiral stretching over 100,000 light-years across, adorned with majestic arms, spiraling out from a luminous core. It's an average-sized galaxy, housing an estimated 200 to 400 billion stars, including our very own sun. From a distance, if we could see it, it would appear as a dazzling, flattened disk, a cosmic pinwheel of unimaginable scale. But the Milky Way is just one among trillions. Compare us to the Andromeda Galaxy, our closest large galactic neighbor, a behemoth even larger than our own, containing a staggering trillion stars. Or consider the colossal IC 1101, one of the largest known galaxies with an estimated 100 trillion stars, dwarfing our cosmic home in sheer stellar magnitude. How far apart are these cosmic titans? The universe is filled with galaxies that are separated by unimaginable distances, with each one holding its own collection of stars, planets, and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. As astronomers gaze into the depths of the cosmos, they measure these enormous gaps in light years, revealing just how isolated each galaxy can be in this expansive universe. Among these countless celestial bodies, some galaxies are destined to collide and merge forever, altering the cosmic landscape and creating new stars in the process. This fascinating dance of galaxies is not just a phenomenon, it is a reminder of the ever-changing nature of our universe, where distances are gradually bridged by the forces of gravity. In these clusters, gravity weaves a web that binds galaxies together, overcoming vast distances to create a complex network of cosmic relationships. Even as we peer deep into the fabric of space and time, the distances between galaxies remind us of our humble place in this vast universe filled with wonders waiting to be explored. Our home planet Earth floats in a solitary orbit, reminding us that despite our achievements, we are just a small part of a much larger cosmic narrative that continues to unfold. As we contemplate our place in the universe, the sight of our tiny solar system within the Milky Way evokes a sense of wonder and humility about the infinite realms that lie beyond. This vast expanse of space not only holds our solar system, but is also home to countless other stars and planetary systems, each with their own potential for life and discovery. As we venture further into the depths of space, the promise of new discoveries fuels our imagination, driving us to uncover the mysteries that lie beyond our own tiny corner of the cosmos. With every new observation, we inch closer to understanding not only our own origins, but the possibility of life thriving on worlds far from our own, igniting our desire to explore the unknown. The cosmic ballet of galaxies is a reminder that change is constant in the universe, and through these grand encounters we witness the birth of new worlds amid celestial upheaval.